Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to open up a paytm account and how it works. Okay, first of all, we have to install paytm. So go to Play Store and search here paytm. This one, the first one is paytm wallet. This one you have to click. Now install it. Accept. This is a kind of wallet that you can uh, store your money as a paytm money. You can send through your bank account to paytm money, and from paytm money you can transfer it to your bank account. This is the easiest mode to transfer money, and you can do also many more shopping. Okay, my Wi-Fi is too slow. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, now click on open. And click on English, then continue. Okay, here, yes, here you have to, if you have a paytm account, then you can enter it, your number, mobile number, and paytm password. Okay, if you don't have any paytm account, then you can register it or create a new account. Okay, go to create a new account. Here you have to give your mobile number. Okay, mobile number I will give here. I'll create a password. Here also you can give your mail ID, then go to create a new account. Password must be Here an error is that an account is already exist with mobile number. Please try to log in. I have a paytm account on this number. Okay, but you can follow this step. You can follow this step and create a new account. Here mobile number, and you choose a password in your mail id. Okay, then create a new account. Okay, so let's go to I have an account on this number, so I cannot make a new account. Do it later. So here you can see the many options are there. This is if you will log in, then here your profile will show over here and your name will show over here. Okay, the first option is recharge or pay for. We'll go through that. Recharge or pay for, then here you can recharge mobile, electricity, DTS, metro, gas. You can recharge these things. Book on paytm. Here you can book a bus ticket, flight ticket, train ticket, okay, movies ticket also. Anything you can book here. So shop on paytm. You can shop also. Okay, you can shop anything from paytm. Offers you can see here. Okay, these are the many things in paytm. Okay, these are the main options to send or receive paytm money from your friend or from the person who is sending you money. Okay, here is pay. Go to pay. Okay, now you have to, this is showing because I have not logged in. I have not logged in, that is why it is showing that to log in. You can pay here if you wanna send if you want to send some money to your friend, then go to pay, and then there will be an option to give the number of your friend. Then you will put the number of your friend, then the amount and the purpose. Then for further, the money will be sent to your friend. Lifafa is also there. Bank account, you can give your bank account. Passbook, okay, you can choose a passbook. Add money, it will, if you want to credit some money to your paytm account, then you can add money from your bank account to your paytm account. Money transfer, that if you want to send some money to your other friends paytm account, then go to money transfer. Accept money, if your friend is sending some money to you, then if there is any option that the receiving person will have to confirm, then you have to go accept payment. Okay, this is another kind of payment. And here also mobile, you can recharge your mobile, prepaid mobile, postpaid mobile, electricity. These are the shortcut to recharge. Okay, here you can book a ticket. Here you can shop also. Okay, you can get also maximum offer in this paytm. I have purchased lots of things from this paytm. So guys, how was my video? Please comment and subscribe if you like it. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much for watching my video.